Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need two essentials before deeper fixes: a stable network and a healthy app. First, confirm your TV is on the correct Wi-Fi and the ISP provides at least 3 Mbps. Once done, open the YouTube app and note any error text and the app version. Make a basic power cycle by turning the TV and router off for 30 seconds and back on. This clears temporary network glitches and restores app connectivity so you can proceed to the next steps. If restarting didn't help, update the TV firmware and the YouTube app because mismatched versions often break playback. Next, clear the YouTube app cache and data. If that fails, uninstall and reinstall the app to remove corrupted files. Also verify router DNS, switch temporarily to 8 or the ISP default, and make sure no VPN or proxy is active on your network, since those can block video streams. After these fixes, test playback. To finish, use the TV's app reset option or perform a factory reset of apps only, preserving settings where possible. This removes deeper configuration faults. Make a final power cycle of modem, router, and TV, and if Wi-Fi remains unreliable, connect the TV via Ethernet to rule out wireless interference. If problems persist, capture the exact error and timestamps, then contact YouTube or your TV maker with that information. One key troubleshooting tip: test YouTube on another device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.